What is the best time to post on LinkedIn? I know every one of you have been asking me this question, and even I keep on wondering what is the best time to post on LinkedIn. In my last, say, I've been on LinkedIn since 2008, while I became very active from 2000, say, 17, 18 onwards, and I started actually tracking the analytics. And as I started tracking the analytics, I realized some core truths about LinkedIn. So I'll just share my screen and you can look over here. So content performance, when I look at past 7 days performance to 365 days performance, impression wise. Now, if you see impressions over here in 2024, okay, this year itself, this is the entire year. This is where I have gotten huge amount of, these are the spikes in traction. Well, these are the normal post, but on an average, whenever I have posted, and I've been posting, I started posting in the morning around 8 o'clock, then I moved to 10 o'clock, then I moved to 1 o'clock. Sometimes I post in the evening. But right now, what I realized is as I start having a consistency, like every day now, my consistency is 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. I have started getting good amount of engagement. If I keep on dancing between my posting, it becomes a problem. Then there's one more thing, as I was discussing. So we are connected to a large group of similar kind of people who are from this LinkedIn. They are doing a lot of work into LinkedIn coaching and all. We realize in India or anywhere in the time zone, if you are posting between 8 o'clock to 8:30, at the max quarter to 9, you get maximum traction because you publish a post. As you publish a post, by the time the post starts rolling, so first three comments is where it is crucial. Once you get those first three comments, LinkedIn will push to more people and suggest your post to them. And this is where is the time when people are entering office, which is around 9:30. Now imagine 9:30, they are seeing their boss's face. They are either unhappy, they are frustrated, they are stressed. By 10 o'clock, they are more stressed because they have been given work. Do this, do this, do this, do this. Now they will sit with their mobile and start searching something on LinkedIn. Is where they start hitting LinkedIn. As soon as they hit LinkedIn, they don't go on the jobs page. What they where they land up is the news feed. And this is where if they see your post and the post relates to them, you get that like, you get that comment. Keep this circle in mind. And to drive more traction in your circle, another thing that I usually suggest to a lot of my friends and who ask me in comments and everything on YouTube, always when you post anything on LinkedIn, you just post it once. But after that, for next half an hour, start commenting anybody who has posted on LinkedIn. What happens is if they get a notification that you have commented, they will see your comment, they will reply on the comment, but again they will come on your profile, and when they see your post, it's bound to happen that they will comment. And a lot of times it has actually happened and I have got comment. So remember this thing in mind. This is the core truth of getting everything on LinkedIn. So imagine now you have 1,000 followers or connections on LinkedIn. When you repost it, 100 of them will get it. If 100 from 100, even if three people comment or four people comment, you also reply to that comment, it becomes around 6 to 8 comments. With 6 to 8 comments, and if you have done at least 20 comments to different posts in that particular time space, they will again, you'll get again say around 3 to 4 comments. You reply to that, you hit off to 12 comments. 12 comments, from 12 comments within the next 2 hours, you will hit off to 30 comments. And as you reply, you will reach to at least 60, 70 comments. This pushes that LinkedIn post to a large amount of people. You will start getting impressions, you will start getting views. A lot of people may not comment, but they will scan through your post. They might not like, they might not comment or share, but they will scan your post. And this is where you start getting more views. So if they stop on your post to read it or they click on read more, LinkedIn will relate this as it's an important post. Now, a lot of posts don't have images, which is where the problem, because people are connected to visuals. So even if you write less amount of content, but you have a visually appealing content or some video, it gives you more views because people wait for 3 to 5 seconds for the video to see what is happening. Those 5 to 10 seconds is where LinkedIn algorithm picks it as an important post. So keep this rule in mind if to drive more and more comments on your LinkedIn, and if you want to drive and become a industry leader or thought leader on LinkedIn for your industry. I hope this was easy to use tool. Just keep this formula in mind, and if you want, again, check this video. If you are still finding it difficult, you reply to me in comment. I will tell you how to go about it. I practically, it's pretty simple. It's not so difficult. Just ensure you post between 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock and evening 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock. Morning post get more traction, evening post don't get you that amount of traction, but don't post anytime in the day, and be consistent for at least 60 to 70 days for LinkedIn to know that this is the time you're posting and this is the time they should be sharing with them. Thanks and see you, and keep rocking.